Okay, we're looking at the Ariens snowblower now, and we're going to go over some of the basic operation, how to start up and turn off the snowblower. First off, you'll notice the controls in the back. You have a drive control, which allows you to choose the speed you go at. Most of the time we leave this on 1 or 2 as we're doing it. And then you have your turn handle, which rotates the snow director, which should work nicely. And then you have 2 controls here. You have the wheel drive, which is right here, which puts the drive in for the wheel drive. And then you have the attachment drive. And this one's sticking right now. So sometimes what you have to do is come down here and try pushing this, and then you can hold it in with the handle. So you can see I'm pushing the outer orange there just to get it started, and then you hold that handle in and it'll keep going. Gas goes in here at the top cap, and then this is probably the most important thing to the whole thing. We turn off the gas between uses. So down here underneath the gas tank, right here, you'll see the gas knob. And this turns off clockwise, and you open this counterclockwise when you're going to start up. So I just opened that up to start the machine, and so then we're going to come over here, and these are the rest of the controls for the engine over here. First off, we have an on-off switch, which is located right here. I'm going to turn that to on. Then we have the choke, and we're going to go to full on that. And then this is the throttle right here, and we're going to put that up to fast. Okay. The final element is the push button over here, which primes the engine, and especially after we turn off the gas, we want to prime it a few times by pushing this in, and that will prime the engine. To start the engine, we're just going to give a good swift pull, and it's probably going to be pretty rough when it starts, so we're going to have to adjust the choke back. Now, before I start this, I want to tell you, because it's going to be very noisy, to turn it back off, when we're done doing the snow blowing, what we like to do is we like to turn off the gas underneath the tank again and just let it run completely dry. This makes the engine stay cleaner, and so that's one of the things we're going to do. So now that we've primed it, we're going to give it a good pull here. And the engine just died. I kind of paused it there, but it takes about 1.5 minutes for the engine to die. And now, if we're done with it for today, we can turn the throttle all the way down, and the choke is already off. Okay? And the switch I'll turn off also, although I don't really need to. Okay? Now the final clue here is, once again, the pull for attachment drive is sticking a little. So what you may have to do, because of the way it's sticking, is you may have to come down here and just push this down right here. I don't know if you can see that. Push that down and then hold your hand with the other one, and that'll get it going. So it's just sticking a little bit. But other than that, that's the operation of the Ariens snowblower. Never ever put your hands in the auger case. If you have to clear snow from this or inside the chute, use like a broom handle when the engine isn't running, and you can knock the snow apart with that.